Breakfast before a PATFIT class. Why is breakfast necessary before a PATFIT class? Eating breakfast before a physical activity towards health and fitness or PATFIT class is necessary because it provides the carbohydrates your body needs for energy during exercise. Skipping this meal, especially before high intensity or long duration activities, can lead you to fatigue, poor performance, and other negative side effects. The importance of carbohydrates. Replenishes glycogen. This means when you wake up, your body's energy stores or glycogen are low after an overnight fast. Consuming carbohydrates with breakfast replenishes your liver and muscle glycogen, ensuring you have enough fuel for your workout. It fuels intense exercise. Your body relies primarily on carbohydrates for short, high-intensity exercise like high-intensity interval training or HIIT or plyometrics, which are common in PATFIT classes. Without this fuel, your body will struggle to maintain intensity and may break down muscle for energy. It increases stamina and endurance. Fueling up beforehand can delay fatigue and enable you to work out longer at a high intensity level. Conversely, an empty stomach can limit your endurance, making the work feel more difficult. Consequences of skipping breakfast. Reduced performance. Studies have shown that people who eat breakfast before exercise perform significantly better than those who fast. You may feel sluggish, weak, or lightheaded without proper fuel. Hypoglycemia risk. For some, exercising in a fasted state can cause a drop in blood sugar levels, or better known as hypoglycemia, which may lead to dizziness and nausea. Cortisol spike. Some research suggests that working out intensely on an empty stomach can spike cortisol levels, a stress hormone that can promote fat storage. Missed recovery window. Eating after exercise is important for muscle repair and replenishing energy stores. By skipping breakfast and then exercising, you are missing an opportunity to maximize your body's fuel and recovery. What and when to eat. The best type of breakfast depends on how soon you will be exercising. 2 to 3 hours before. A full balanced meal with complex carbohydrates, protein, and some fat is ideal. This allows plenty of time for digestion. 30 to 60 minutes before. A smaller, easily digestible snack that is higher in carbohydrates and lower in fiber and fat is best for quick energy. Good options include a banana, a small bowl of oatmeal, or a piece of whole grain toast. Always remember to hydrate with water before, during, and after your workout to prevent dehydration. Thank you very much for listening and have a good day.